I'm in Haridwar and you're watching the hotel review. This city of Haridwar is famous for yoga, for divinity and for the ghats of Ganges. Right now I'm standing in the backyard of Hotel Godwin. I'm gonna stay here for 2 days, and within these 2 days I'll try to find out what kind of facilities and amenities available in this hotel for the national and international tourists. I've seen so many international tourists coming over here, staying at this place. So let's check out what kind of facilities and amenities available in Hotel Godwin in the city of Haridwar. I have with me the general manager of Hotel Godwin in Haridwar, Mr. Tilak Sharma. Mr. Tilak Sharma, tell me what kind of facilities and amenities you have in this hotel?
Namaskar. We do have this hotel located at National Highway NH 58, and we do have all the facilities. We have a multi-cuisine restaurant, we do have one gym, we do have one swimming pool, we do have one spa, we do have in-house laundry, and we do have our own bakery also. In part of these, we have two conferences hall where we can gather the mice and capacity is around 150 people to 250 people.
Okay.
And we have a good lawn area where we can have good wedding parties in the evening, and also we have a good space to accommodate approx 400 people in accommodation.
Your hotel is one of the most beautiful properties in Haridwar, and you are in the lap of nature, near Ganges.
Yes.
What all facilities are available for the international guests?
As per the international standard of any of the guest is traveling from abroad, or any guest who require whatever required in the rooms, all the facilities are we have in the rooms, all our own modern hospitalities, which have everything in rooms, including your shaving kit, your all bathing shaving kits and other facilities also.
I've seen so many international guests available in your hotel. They keep visiting here, and I mean most of these kind of guests who come from abroad, they are looking for their own food. So do you have those cuisines also?
Yes, we do serve continental, and mostly they prefer to continental and Chinese, as well as all the abroad people. They are very keen to have Indian foods as well.
Okay, but they eat different kind of Indian food. They don't eat spices basically, so they don't like the spicy food. So you have the facility to serve them less spicy food also.
Yeah, definitely, and we do have the guest oriental, which countries specifically they are coming. So we are preparing the foods accordingly.
Okay,
The
right,
chef
and
is taken care well, as for the nationality wise, and as for their choices of foods, we are able to be cater the same.
And how about the Indian guests who come here? What facilities do you have for Indian guests?
Indian guests, you can say ki all are coming to have on deep on Ganges, and all are on pilgrimages, or others is on route to Masuris also, and Paonta Sahib, Hemkund Sahib also. So and Chardham, we have a gateway of Chardham. The people are, if they are traveling to here, to get all the things and get relaxed, fully relaxed, and as compared the fooding part, we are able to be cater them as per their requirement. And Indian, they can love our Godwin dal, and others dal makhani, and we have one paneer is on our signature dish. And some of continental pastas. We have on the varieties of pastas. The people can love it.
You mean to say your North Indian food is awesome,
Yeah.
and your continental food is also very
Yes.
good. So the Indian customers who come here, they like the North Indian food more or the continental food?
Well, nowadays the genres are on little mix up.
You have got a very lush green backyard along with a swimming pool and other facilities. You have got gym over here. You have got spa over here. What do you feel? I mean, these kind of facilities are available in other hotels also in Haridwar or not?
Haridwar, there are many hotels. As of now, it is on around 15 room nights, more of 1500 room nights available in same categories. But as per the, we are able to be cater a larger scale.
Okay.
You can say कि if there is a group, so we can have on 2-3 group in one place only. And as for the room inventory and facilities we do have, and the area we do have, so we are able to be cater much larger people. And mostly whoever looking for who are traveling with on group and group of families like 10 room, 15 room, 20 rooms, 100 rooms, so we can able to be cater them.
3 reasons to stay in Hotel Godwin.
We have one the best location hotel over here. We are in NH 58, and we are near to Arkipodi. We are near to Shanti Kunj Ashram. We are near to Rishikesh. You can say that we are between Haridwar and Rishikesh. And whoever traveling to Haridwar and Rishikesh, both area, so we are in the
So
centrally located.
this is the most convenient place for them to stay over here.
Yes. And second, we are having all the facilities which require a good hotel, which should be in a good hotel, including all facilities which we are providing, which are on very well maintained, you can say. And the third, we are committed to deliver the best.
Apart from the amenities and the facilities you have a very devoting staff over here, and you emphasis more on the services basically.
Yes.
So the guests who come over here, they stay here, they enjoy your services also. Whenever you plan to visit Haridwar, do stay in Hotel Godwin, and you will definitely enjoy the facilities available over here. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right now I'm sitting in the cafeteria of Hotel Godwin and I have on my table a chili cheese toast along with a cold coffee. The base of this toast is very crunchy and filled with a lot of mozzarella cheese, and I can feel the green chilies also. The base is very crunchy, filled with a lot of mozzarella cheese along with so many vegetables. Coffee with eco-friendly straw. This is awesome. I'm in the Golden Mushroom restaurant of Hotel Godwin and I have on my table a Russian salad and there is an Indian exotic rice salad along with bundi raita. I can see a lot of mayonnaise, pineapples, so many other Indian vegetables tossed in the mayonnaise, and there is a cherry on the top. The Russian salad is awesome. Now I've got on my table an exotic veg salad along with bundi raita. I can see a lot of vegetables in this salad along with pita bread, a lot of beans, baby corn, potatoes, carrot, bell pepper also. This is a complete platter along with bundi raita. All the vegetables are very fresh. Most important thing is that all these vegetables are not been overcooked. The spices are very less. Whenever we cook vegetables, especially in India, they overcook the vegetables. But here in this platter, all the vegetables are very fresh and very less cooked. So all natural ingredients you can feel while eating these vegetables. After having a very delicious Russian salad, I have got two starters on my table now. This is soya bung kebab and vegetable cashew nut kebab. Soya bung kebab is basically a Nepali recipe. There is a small place, Bung, in Nepal, and this kebab is inspired from that place only. This looks very interesting. I've got Chef Hari with me. He's from Nepal. The Indians are relishing this recipe very much. We'll talk to Chef Hari. Chef Hari, मुझे बताइए ये जो रेसिपी है बंग से आप लेकर आए हैं, नेपाल से लेकर आए इंडिया के अंदर,
जी सर।
इसकी क्या खासियत है?
इसकी खासियत ये है सर, ये खाने में बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट है सर। और जो है ये आजकल जो है हर जगह मिलता है सर।
अच्छा
जी सर। नेपाल में तो है ही है, जहाँ से निकला है वहाँ तो है ही, और इंडिया में भी है। इंडिया से और जगह भी जो है ये फेमस हो रहा है सर आजकल।
As Chef Hari told me that this is a very delicious recipe of Nepal and the Indians are really loving this recipe a lot. Thank you so much. I've got mint sauce along with these starters. This mint sauce is made of yogurt basically, along with spinach and some mint leaves. Both the starters are amazing with a lot of vegetables. I like this kebab very much because there's a cashew nut in it and there are so many vegetables. If I compare both the starters, this soya bun kebab is more healthier than this deep fried cashew nut kebab. I've got dal makhani, paneer butter masala, spinach cooked with baby corn, dal tadka, so many assorted breads, vegetable dum biryani along with bundi raita. So many items. I'll start with vegetable dum biryani. This looks very tempting. The presentation of this dish is very good. I can see a lot of coriander leaves on it. So many vegetables cooked along with rice and it's been put on dum for some time so that the rice and vegetables are mixed together very nicely. This biryani is being served along with bundi raita. The vegetable dum biryani along with this bundi raita is divine. All I can say is delicious. This biryani has a lot of Indian vegetables along with cottage cheese. The rice is properly cooked, very well cooked. The spices are very balanced. The combination of this Indian vegetable dum biryani along with this bundi raita is amazing. Now I'll have this dal makhani along with this missi roti. I can see a lot of butter and a lot of cream in this dal makhani. Although this dal makhani is not very healthy because it has a lot of butter and a lot of cream, but as far as this taste is concerned, this is really delicious. I had very lavish North Indian pure vegetarian dinner over here, and I would recommend you to visit over here whenever you happen to visit Haridwar. This is a must visit place for you. After having a lavish North Indian dinner in the city of Haridwar, now I have got two delicious desserts on my table. This is a special sundae mixed with 3 types of ice cream along with so many nuts, and I have got a gulab jamun. This is a very famous Indian dessert, hot gulab jamun along with cold sundae ice cream. This is actually a very deadly combination of hot gulab jamun along with cold sundae, but trust me, this sundae is delicious, very delicious. And let me taste this gulab jamun also. I can see a lot of nuts crushed over this gulab jamun. Wow, amazing. That's it for this episode of the hotel review. In next episode, we'll take you to some other property. Please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can keep getting the notification of our upcoming episodes. You are watching the hotel review on Network 15.